It's time to get cooking with these top 10 dinner recipes in Europe. Let's get started. France is world-renowned for its delectable cuisine, and there are many famous French dishes that originate from Paris. One of the most popular is coq au vin, which translates to cock or rooster in its own wine. This hearty and flavorful dish consists of chicken braised in red wine and typically includes ingredients like bacon, mushrooms, and pearl onions. Coq au vin is a classic example of French rustic cooking, and it has been featured in many famous paintings throughout history. The dish is traditionally served with bread or mashed potatoes, and it's perfect for a cozy night in. Next, we travel to Italy to explore one of its most beloved pasta dishes, spaghetti alle vongole, also known as spaghetti with clams. This coastal specialty is made with spaghetti, clams, garlic, white wine, and parsley. It offers a unique combination of salty, briny flavors and is often enjoyed during the summer months when clams are in season. The dish is simple yet elegant and can be made in just under 30 minutes. Spaghetti alle vongole is a true Italian gem. Now, let's take a trip to Spain and learn about paella. This famous rice dish is originally from Valencia and is considered the country's national dish. Paella typically includes ingredients like rice, chicken, rabbit, snails, and seafood, all cooked together in one pan. The dish is known for its vibrant colors and unique cooking method. Paella is a true celebration of Spanish culture and cuisine, and is often enjoyed at special occasions. And with so much variety in ingredients, there is a paella for everyone to enjoy. Now we head to Greece, where moussaka is the name of the game. This traditional Greek dish consists of layers of eggplant, ground meat, usually lamb or beef, and a creamy bechamel sauce. Moussaka is baked in the oven until bubbly and golden and is perfect for a comforting meal. The dish has ancient origins and is said to have been enjoyed by Greek soldiers in the army of Alexander the Great. Moussaka is truly a staple of Greek cuisine and is loved by people of all ages. As we continue our culinary journey through Europe, we arrive in Germany, where we will learn about one of the country's most iconic dishes, schnitzel. This breaded and pan-fried cutlet is typically made with veal or pork, but can also be made with chicken or fish. Schnitzel is often served with a squeeze of lemon juice and is delicious when paired with potato salad, spätzle, or other German sides. The dish is famous throughout Europe and is a must-try for anyone visiting Germany. Our next stop is the Netherlands, where stamppot is the traditional dish of choice. This hearty and comforting meal consists of potatoes, vegetables, and a sausage or meatball. Stamppot is perfect for a cold winter's day and is often enjoyed with a glass of Dutch beer. The dish has its roots in the Middle Ages and was originally created as a way to use up leftover ingredients. Today, stamppot is still a popular dish in the Netherlands and is especially popular in the province of Groningen. From the Netherlands, we travel to Belgium, where we will learn about one of the country's most famous exports, waffles. But don't expect these Belgian waffles to resemble the small breakfast waffles you might be used to. These waffles are larger and thicker and are often served as a dessert with toppings like ice cream, whipped cream, and fruit. But waffles can also be enjoyed as a savory meal with toppings like cheese and ham. No matter how you enjoy them, Belgian waffles are a true delicacy and are sure to satisfy any sweet or savory craving. Our next stop on this culinary tour of Europe takes us to Portugal, where we will learn about pastel de nata. These delicious egg tarts are a must-try if you find yourself in Portugal. Pastel de nata are made with a rich custard filling and are often enjoyed for breakfast or as a midday snack. The dish has ancient origins and is said to have been inspired by the Moors who occupied Portugal in the 8th century. Today, pastel de nata are still a popular dish in Portugal and are especially popular in the city of Lisbon. And now, we head to England, where we will learn about one of the country's most iconic dishes, fish and chips. This traditional meal consists of fried fish, usually cod or haddock, and deep-fried potatoes. Fish and chips are often served with vinegar or salt and is a true British classic. The dish has a long history and is said to have originated in the city of London. Today, fish and chips are still a popular dish in England and are enjoyed by people of all ages. Finally, we return to France for our last recipe, boeuf bourguignon, also known as beef burgundy. This slow-cooked beef dish is famous for its rich, hearty flavor and is a true celebration of French cuisine. Beef bourguignon typically includes ingredients like beef, bacon, mushrooms, carrots, onions, and red wine. The dish is traditionally served with mashed potatoes or noodles and is perfect for a cozy night in. Boeuf bourguignon has ancient origins and is said to have been enjoyed by Roman soldiers in the 2nd century AD. Today, the dish is still a popular choice in French restaurants and is a must-try for anyone visiting France. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some of Europe's most famous and delicious dinner recipes. From coq au vin to bouillabaisse, there is something for everyone to enjoy. So grab your apron and get ready to cook up some European magic in your own kitchen. Bon appétit! Now that you've learned about some of the most famous dinner recipes in Europe, it's time to put on your chef's hat and get cooking. Start by gathering all the necessary ingredients for your chosen recipe. Be sure to use fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavor and texture. Next, follow the recipe closely, measuring out each ingredient carefully. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices to add your own personal touch to each dish. As you cook, be sure to taste the food regularly to ensure that it is seasoned properly. Cooking should be fun and enjoyable, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and try new things. With a little practice, you'll be able to recreate some of Europe's most famous dinner recipes in no time. Impress your friends and family with your newfound cooking skills and share your delicious creations on social media. And who knows, you may even become the next big chef sensation. If you love learning about different cultures through their food, then you're in luck because there are plenty more videos available that explore the culinary delights of different countries and regions. From the spicy streets of Thailand to the cozy cafes of Vienna, there is a world of flavor waiting to be discovered. So sit back, relax, and let your taste buds take you on a journey around the globe. You may just learn something new and exciting about different cultures while you're at it. That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey through Europe and are feeling inspired to try out some of the amazing recipes we shared. Remember, the best way to experience a new culture is through its food, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Who knows? You may just discover your next favorite dish. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you next time.